Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to make a balloon. Start by making a big oval. An oval is egg-shaped. Draw a very tiny triangle to show the balloon's knot at the bottom. Put small circles inside. Repeat making circles to create a pattern. Now add a curvy long line which is also known as the balloon string. Color. You can create any color combinations as per your choice. Here we show a balloon with multiple colors and a balloon with a single solid color. Now make your own balloon. Share this balloon art with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.